10 tips to keep you and your house cool this summer. Dear friends, you can keep yourself and your house cool this summer and is kind to the environment at the same time. Here's how. Check out these 10 tips that will keep you and your house cool, save you money, and help you be kind to the earth. 1. Close your blinds. Keep your blinds closed, especially on north and west facing windows, to significantly cool your home. Better yet, invest in some blackout curtains to shield your home from that harsh summer sun. 2. Block the heat. Stopping heat getting into your house in the first place means spending less on cooling. Shade windows and walls using external coverings, like blinds, awnings, or large potted plants. Plant deciduous trees that cast shade over your home in summer, but still let the sun shine through in winter. If you can, invest in window tinting and top up your ceiling insulation, it'll help keep the warmth in winter, too. 3. Just 1 degree Celsius more. If you must use your air conditioner, set the thermostat to between 24 to 27 degrees Celsius, or as high as you feel comfortable with. Increasing your thermostat by just 1 degree Celsius in warm weather can reduce the running cost of your appliance by about 10%. If you're looking to upgrade your air conditioner, pick one with a high Energy Star rating and do your research to ensure you choose the right type of air conditioner for your home. 4. Adjust ceiling fans. Sometimes you might feel like ceiling fans just push the hot air around your home rather than cool it down. Well, you're not wrong. Fans that aren't rotating counterclockwise may be doing just that. Set your ceiling fans to rotate counterclockwise in summer to push air straight down, helping to create a cooling effect, and clockwise in winter to pull cool air up. In warmer weather, set the fan speed high, and in cooler weather, it works best on low. Ceiling fans can also be used to complement other cooling types, so checking they rotate in the correct direction can make a world of difference to the temperature of your home. 5. Close doors and seal gaps. Close doors to rooms you aren't using to keep cool air where you need it most. Seal gaps around doors and windows, and use draft excluders to ensure the cool air can't escape. Note: evaporative air conditioners will be more effective if you open some doors and windows to increase airflow through the home. 6. Hang out in the evening. Closing your windows and staying inside may be a great idea during the day, but when it gets cooler in the evening you may want to open your house up to cool your home naturally. Just make sure you lock up overnight. Cooking dinner in the backyard or at the park may be a cooler alternative to being in a steamy kitchen too, so make the most of a cool breeze when you can. 7. Chill out, not chill on. Sip icy cold drinks, apply a damp cloth to your neck and other pressure points on your body, or have a cold shower to cool your body without needing to switch the air conditioner on. 8. Hack a fan. No air condition, no worries. A cleverly positioned bowl of ice is all you need to turn a fan into a cold mist machine. Place a shallow bowl or pan of ice in front of a fan for an icy cool breeze that won't break the bank. 9. Choose cotton. Cotton fabrics are super breathable and help cool your body. Wear light, loose clothing made of breathable fabrics like cotton, and fit your bed with cotton sheets. 10. Change your light bulbs. If you're having trouble cooling your home and can't work out why, incandescent light bulbs might be to blame. They produce a lot of heat, so switching to energy-saving bulbs can help cool your home and save heaps on energy costs. That's a win-win. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.